Everybody, Lisa Rowberry here. Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. It has been a little bit since I have uploaded a video. Things have just been a little bit crazy here in the Rowberry household. I have been helping my mom pack and move. Last week I was out at Meridian, Idaho at Scentsy Home office for a director boot camp, which was amazing. Can't wait to go back, but back home, back to the grind, and we are gonna kick things off with a Scentsy haul. So yay, yay, yay. I'm gonna go ahead and dive right in. I am gonna start with something that's no longer available, so I feel bad even sharing it, but that's okay. So I was able to order this, and this is not for myself, this is actually for a friend. She ordered the Dumbo bundle. But I didn't actually order a bundle for myself, but the scent sounded amazing, so I went ahead and added it to my Scentsy Club. Now, unfortunately, you can't add the scent to the Scentsy Club anymore. That time has passed, but she did give me permission to at least unbox him and show you guys. Oh my gosh, so, so cute. I've seen people get their Dumbo buddies, and oh my gosh. I mean, look at just the detail in every little bit, including the box. So sweet. Have you guys seen the new movie? Have you? This is Dumbo. This is Dumbo, the Scentsy buddy. Love, love, love. So sweet, so soft. In the back here, so you have the little Scentsy star patch, and then in the back of most of our buddies, just depends on the buddy, but most of them do have a zipper in the back. Sometimes it's in their front, like I said, just depending on the buddy. And in the back, there's going to be this little hidden zipper that you can stick your favorite scent pack. So with Dumbo, he does come with an actual buddy, a Dumbo scent pack. Get it out. So this is what goes together. But once that scent wears out, you can just buy a new scent pack and stick it in your buddy, and your buddy will be smelling amazing yet again. So this particular bundle did come with a bar of Dumbo's scent, which is Dumbo Circus Parade. I have not actually opened this. I have kind of unboxed these things just because I needed, I wanted to not have this be a super long video, and B, I needed the packing to pack up the paper and take it over to my mom's, excuse me, so I was able to do that. That's the beautiful thing about Scentsy, is that they give you all kinds of moving materials. So Dumbo Circus Parade, super cute illustration per usual. Let's sniff it out. This is exactly what I was hoping for. Like I said, I did go ahead and add it to my Scentsy Club totally sight unseen, just from the description, it sounded like something I would love. And then if I figured if it was something that I didn't like, I would go ahead and just ex-nay it. But this is definitely, it's a fruity scent with, it's more of a citrus note, but it's light. And I get kind of a pineapple note from this as well, like citrus, pineapple, light and springy. I love this. I'm really glad I added it to my Scentsy Club. Let me see, do I have a description of this somewhere? Hang on. I did at one point. Okay, Circus Parade, delight in sweet clementine, creamy peach, fresh mango, and vanilla bean. So it's fresh and fruity. I do really like this. So yay, love that. Okay, moving right along. Let me know if you wound up scoring a Dumbo for yourself. So, so sweet. That's the thing with the Scentsy buddies, is that most of them are not around permanently. If you see a buddy that you really love, especially if it's a special limited edition buddy, they're only available while supplies last. Generally, something as popular as Dumbo only lasts a day or two. Dumbo actually lasted a little bit longer than I was expecting personally. Okay, so the next items, I have decided, if you know me, you know my Holy Grail laundry scent product, laundry product is obviously the Scentsy Laundry Love Bundle, but the scent, my go-to scent for the laundry products has always been Jammy Time. I've tried a few of the different scents. I have found personally that the strongest scent and the scent that I love the most is Jammy Time, but my sister-in-law was over a couple weekends ago and she was like, girl, you've got to try Lavender Cotton. So I went ahead and got a bundle. I've got one for myself. I actually have one for my mom here as well. So the Laundry Love Bundle comes with a tub of the washer whiffs. It comes with 2 dryer discs, and it also comes with the laundry liquid. So my sister-in-law was like, her holy grail laundry line scent is Clothesline. That's her jam. She tried this. She's like, I actually like this even more, and she feels like it's stronger. So we'll see. I will definitely be giving this a try. So this is the Lavender Cotton. This is new this season. New scent to the laundry line this season, and I'm really excited. So we'll see. So I've got the Laundry Love. So like I said, washer whiffs, gateway drug to Scentsy. If you haven't heard, it's amazing. The washer whiffs are just a scent booster. It's not going to clean your laundry in any way. It's just to make your laundry smell amazing. Then we have the laundry liquid. This is the actual soap. And then we have 2 packs of dryer discs. The dryer discs, they come in, there's just 2 per pack, and you can use these over and over and over again. Generally, I think Scentsy says like 15 loads. These last like 20 loads for me. It's good. They just go and go and go. Generally, if I feel like the scent is losing a little bit, then I'll just throw 1 more disc in there. Also, a little tip. When you are not using your dryer discs, store them in the washer whiffs container. That'll help kind of prolong the life of your dryer discs. Love it. So I'm excited to give this a try. We'll see if it lives up to my expectations that I have since Jammy Time has totally spoiled me. So we'll give this a try. I also picked up 2 scent softs, obviously in the Lavender Cotton as well. Like I said, one of these bundles is for my mom. So we've got those. We'll leave. Okay, I'm gonna put this stuff back since I'm just gonna take it right over there. Okay, washer whiffs. Oh gosh, love. Okay, now let's get into some more fun stuff here. So I've got a box here. I went a little bit crazy. So I think it was on the 1st of April, Scentsy decided to update the clearance section. This is my favorite. I love it when Scentsy updates the clearance section. There are warmers in there. There are bars. There are bricks. There are body products. If you haven't checked it out, I will link my website down below, or go to your consultant's website, check out the clearance section. It's amazing. So let me show you what I scored here. I scored a couple of Mandarin Grapefruit Amber body wash. I love this scent so much. Last I checked, there are still some of these available in the clearance section. So if you love this scent as much as I do, you should go pick it up. It's a really beautiful, obviously a mandarin scent, but it's a perfumey mandarin. It's so beautiful. Love it. So I got 2 of those. I also grabbed 2 of the Mandarin Grapefruit Amber bath bombs. Once again, if you haven't tried the bath bombs, you should. These I think are still available in there as well. Like I said, last I checked, stuff in the clearance section is only available while supplies last. So just know that. Anything that I'm showing you here today, it may sell out. So if you go to my clearance section and it's gone, it means that it's sold out. So sorry. Okay, also I picked up a couple of Pink Haze Scentsy Go Pods. Love Pink Haze. This is such a beautiful scent. I think, did I pick up some car bars too? We'll see. We'll get to that. Last I checked, these are still available as well. Pink Haze and the Scentsy Go Pods. I believe they're also available in the scent circles for your car and also the car bars. Like I said, just last time I checked. I love this scent so much. Pink Haze is a really perfectly spring scent. a spring berries and vanilla scent. I love this so much. Oh, so good. So I picked up a couple of the Pink Haze Scentsy Go pods. I also picked up, now these, I don't believe these are available anymore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the Mandarin Grapefruit Amber bars. I love this so much. I was so sad that Scentsy decided to discontinue this because it's so perfect for the springtime. As you can tell, I love this scent a whole lot. It's just a really beautiful mandarin, obviously a little bit of grapefruit. There's more of that mandarin note rather than the bitter grapefruit, but it's light and citrusy and slightly perfumey and totally springy. I love it. So I picked up 6 of those. And then I also decided to pick up a grapefruit sunshine. You can tell I'm in the spring mood. I'm totally in the spring mood. This is really nice as well. This is just a really clean grapefruit scent. So I really love that. Once again, perfect for the springtime. Okay, we picked up some car bars. Okay, so I did pick up one of the Pink Haze. So Pink Haze in a car bar. And then 2 of these Cider Mill and car bars. I love this scent as well. This is really more springtime. Fall time. This is more of a fall time scent. It's a pumpkin apple fragrance and I love it. So I was like, well, let me just pick some of those up. Okay, now, and I'm gonna check while we're here together, Mother's Day bundles. There are so many amazing Mother's Day bundles that are available right now. Once again, those are only available while supplies last. So if you go to my website, as always, I will link it down below, and you can go to, I believe it's collections, but let me just double check. There are bundles with warmers and bars. There's a new exclusive Mother's Day warmer, and there's a couple of exclusive Mother's Day. Here we go. It'll say Happy Mother's Day announcing, go back, me. Okay, announcing our own bundles of joy. So you can click on that banner and you will see the Mother's Day gift sets. So essentially what you're doing with these warmer bundles, you're paying for the warmer but getting the bars for free. So there is a Crazy Hot Mess mini warmer bundle that you're paying $20 for. So you're paying for the mini warmer and getting a free bar. So whether you're gifting it to mom, gifting it to grandma, gifting it to a friend, or gifting it to yourself, it's a really good deal. Let's see here. So there's a few different warmer bundles. The one that is exclusive to the Mother's Day bundle is called the Everything I Am warmer bundle. That's kind of what it looks like. I don't know if my camera's even going to focus, but it is this purple warmer that's really pretty. It says Everything I Am You Helped Me to Be. Very pretty. It also comes with 3 bars as well, and that's for $60. That's US. So, but besides the warmer bundles, there are also 2 day spa bundles, and I decided to pick one of them up, which is the Pina Colada Cha-Cha bundle. So this comes with, you can see it's obviously packaged in an organza bag, which is so perfect for your presentation. It also has a little Mother's Day tag here, and inside you can write who it's to, and then you've got your goodies inside here. So let me just show you what it looks like here. So you get the Pina Colada Cha-Cha body wash. You get the Pina Colada Cha-Cha hand cream. I'm super excited about this. And of course I'm excited about everything. I'm always excited. Pina Colada Cha-Cha bath bomb. Hello paradise. So if you feel like you need a vacation, just pick up this Pina Colada Cha-Cha spa bundle. Take a bath, take a shower, moisturize your hands, and you're on vacation. So those are available. The spa bundles are available for $22. So it's a really good deal. Check them out. Those bundles are fantastic. Like I said, if you're wanting to gift them to somebody or gift them to yourself, they're really great deals. So All right, you guys, I did some damage. So I wanted to share this little haul with you. Let me know if you have been able to stock up on some of the new clearance goodies, if you have stocked up or taken advantage of any of the new Mother's Day bundles. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, sorry for the absence. Things have just been a little bit crazy, but I'm getting back to the grind here. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.